Meet the all-new 2021 Ranger Tremor Project Build, outfitted by Ford Vehicles Personalization Team. This truck enables even the most adventurous of lifestyles. They use the all-new Ranger Tremor as a starting point to create the ideal mid-size overlanding rig.
Now this thing is incredible, right? Right out of the factory, but there's a whole range of Ford accessories and Ford performance parts available, so you can customize it from rolling to the most remote trailheads to carrying a mountain bike, a kayak, and all the gear needed for a day of thrills and chills. The new Ranger Tremor off-road package includes new 17-inch magnetic painted alloy wheels, off-road tuned Fox 2.0 shocks, rear tow hooks, bigger tires, and auxiliary switches, just to name a few, which means you can accessorize like crazy.
Folks, if you want to know more about this vehicle, just scan the QR code that is now displaying at the bottom of the screen. For those of you who want to grab some parts or accessories today, check out the link in the description for more details. If you can't scan the code, there's also a link below. Both will unlock this project vehicle for you so you can check out all of its features and maybe even make one for yourself.